very quickly see here what were the turning points of the war and certain things that you have to totally remember for your classes. First thing over here is Lexington and Concord. The first phase or the first conflict happened over here. And what happened? It was Britishers or the British Army which captured the Bunker Hill, right? Ultimately, Trenton, Princeton, and again it was in Saratoga, right? Where we see that the Britishers are defeated by the help of the French, which were having an alliance with the Americans, and they finally defeated the Britishers here. And ultimately in the Yorktown, it was Lord Cornwallis who totally surrendered. Okay, he totally surrendered to Washington. Now, George Washington. Now, it is even said that if you note the date, it is even said that Cornwallis, because he lost over here, he was sent to India. Okay, he lost here in America, he was sent to India, and in 1793, when he came to India, he led to the passage of Cornwallis Code. Okay, this you will study in Indian modern history. The British government was so angry with him that he was sent to India. Okay, now three things that you should remember over here is, first of all, philosophic preamble that all men were created equal and they were endowed with the unalienable rights to life, property, and pursuit of the happiness, because the whole society was based on the conception of individualism. Okay, governments, they derive the power from the consent. We have read this word consent where in the popular sovereignty term, where it is the collective will of the people who give the power to the government, not the other way round. Right of the people to alter or abolish the government. Do you see the hints of democracy which are observed over here? Also, there were list of grievances you have to note down. Taxes, we discussed the immediate cause was granular measures. We saw most important was the stamp duty. Okay, sugar tax was there, quartering tax were there, right? Troops dissolving the legislature, obstructing the justice. Now, in the formal declaration, these united colonies and of the right, they ought to be free and independent to be the United States of America.